In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean a good old wax air total home. Old machine, still works. If you've got one, I'm going to show you how to clean it. So start with the basics. There's two filters in this machine. One's in here. This is quite often the reason you're getting a loss of suction. If you haven't got a blocked pipe, this twists, lifts off. There's a filter here. As you see, this one's pretty dirty. You can wash this, follow the instructions. Do not wash the filter, just bang it out apparently. Oh. If you've got compressed air, like I have, it's always good to give it a really good agitate before you bang it out. Don't know why you can't wash it. Seems a bit of an odd thing. Yeah. Agitate it. Give it a good clean. Yes, if this got really bad, you could probably remove this mesh filter and then just have it as the pleated filter inside. So yeah, if you're getting loss of suction, check that in the bottom of here. Put it back on, goes in, and twists, locks on. Second filter, top of here, twist, lift. There's your filter. This one you can wash. So as you can see, this one's pretty dirty. Even inside here we've got some debris. If you really wanted to go for it, you feel like your machine's got really bad smell, and you can undo all these Phillips screws. I think they're number 2 Phillips, and you can actually take the cyclone off and you can clean the cyclone out. As you can see, you can slide the cyclone off of the bin. I'm just going to empty that out and give the bin a wash just under some hot soapy water. I'll do that in a minute. Don't think the cyclone comes apart any further than that. You can most definitely wash this under some hot water, and that is what we're going to do. So we're going to wash the cyclone, the filter and the dustbin all in hot soapy water. Down to the machine. Pull the power cord off. Get it out of the way. With the machine in pieces, we can now get on to the brush bar, cleaning the brush bar on this machine. Let's flip it over, get ourselves some space to work. As you can see, brush bar on this machine is Is it in shot? That's in shot. Is not removable, so it's not a non-removable brush bar. So we're going to have to get our scissors and just work our way along the brush roll. Remove all of that hair, just like this. Hair, string, twine, bits of carpet. All out, just like this. No anti-hair wrap technology on this old thing. So my videos are obviously made to try and help you out, show you how to fix things, save yourself some money. If you could just give the video a like, that'd be amazing. Let me know that you appreciate and found the video useful. Someone's driving around with the roof down and the wind and the music up. Look at that. So, brush bar is all cleaned out. Just need to pull it all out. So, you get the idea. There's even some around these little rotating wheels. That one's clear. Just give it a pull, clear it all out. Sometimes you can just cut it and turn on the vacuum cleaner and it will actually spin itself around and suck up the hair. That's always another thing you can do. Right. There we are. Brush bar is clear. This machine, we can unclip the hose. Check in the hose, make sure there's no blockages. There's a bit of something in there. Just going to get the pick, just go around the edge, just you can see there's quite a bit of something just build up in there of use over the years. Just a bit crusty. That will be restricting flow, but definitely not stopping, causing any blockages. But this is where you would find a blockage if there was going to be one. There we are, it's kind of got that cleared out. You can always pull the hose out, make sure there's no splits in the hose. This hose is fine. And there we go, so big improvement on what was in there. Checking the other end, obviously, it's all fine. There we are. So the brush bar end is clear and clean, as far as we're going to go anyway. You could always disassemble the head and take the brush bar out and clean around it. Another thing you can do if you just want to clean in behind it, show you a little trick. Put a bit of spray in there. Get yourself some paper towel. Put the paper towel in. Rotate the paper towel around the brush bar. And what will happen is it'll actually go around inside, come back out the other side like this, and it will clean in underneath. So that's how you can clean around your brush bar if you want to make it nice and clean. So, the machine back over, as you can see it's got the clear plastic window and it is very dirty in there, but it's all good cleaning it. It's just going to get dirty again. So pop that back over. There's not much else to do on this machine. You can pop the wand up, check the wand's clear, which it's all clear. It's all clear. It's just a very basic vacuum cleaner, easy to maintain, nice to use. So clip the hose back on, just like that. Give it a quick squirt down. Wipe over, just to give the body a clean. But yeah, on this machine it's mainly the filters. It's just a very basic vacuum cleaner. So we need in life just something that works without loads of frills and whistles. Okay, there we are. So that's your Vax body done, cleaned up, and we have got no blockages because we just checked everything over. This head, there's not much point sticking it in the water, might as well just give it a wipe. your vacuum cleaner smells, it's always good to give it a clean with some antibacterial cleaner to just help get rid of any of them nasty smells. That's it, it's all clean. I'll give that a wash out under the tap. I'm going to do that in a minute, along with all of this. And once it's all clean, leave it for 24 hours in pieces to dry. Slide the cyclone air part back in, find the little notch, put that in. Obviously we'll put the filter back in once it's cleaned, pop the top back on. See here, there's a lock and unlock point. Unlocked, locked. That's that back together. Pop that back on the machine. And then that is how you clean your Vax Air Total Home. Oldie but a goldie, basic, but it's all you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in another video.